Today I'm going to show you how to set up scenes in OBS. Ladies and gentlemen, you can have different scenes in OBS, and this is really convenient. What we want to do on the left hand side under scenes is go to the plus icon. Here you can name your scene, click on OK, and this is what it will look like. Now you need to add a source to your scene. Let's go ahead and do this. So over here you're going to click on the plus button. And here you can choose from a variation of different sources. Now, currently, if you have a look at my first scene, we have a display capture, which is currently what you're seeing now. It's my screen. Now, in scene 2, if you would like, you can also add in maybe a second screen. You can also put in just an audio input capture. You can see down here all of the different things that you can add in. It can also be a window capture if it's just a specific window. And this means if you do a window capture, then you can capture a Chrome window as well as your screen, and it'll be separate. And I'll show you that in just a second. Now, let's say we want to use an image. I'm going to click on image. It'll now take me here. So you can just create a name for your source and then click on OK. Over here, you'll need to look for an image on your device. There are no stock images on here, so go ahead, click on browse and look for an image. I've got this image over here now, and what we want to do is just go ahead, click on OK. Now you can see that it needs to be resized. Now what we can do is we can resize it simply by clicking down here and resizing it like this. You can also just move this about if you would like to move this about. You can use your arrow keys on your keyboard just to make sure that it is exactly center. So you'll see that's 15. That's 15. You can also drag this a little bit bigger so that you are actually fitting this into the window. Okay, this means there'll be no extra space. And this now looks fantastic. Now, if you have scene 1, scene 2, you can see that these are fading in between each other. And this is where the scene transitions come in, where you can actually do the fade or the cut, and then you can choose the size. Now, there are also a bunch of other ones so that you can actually choose what it is that you would like to do with your transitions. And then you can set up shortcut keys to manage these transitions while you're recording live. Now, if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and check out our channel.